Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello, everyone. Today, you will follow a simple conversation between two travelers who lock themselves out of their Airbnb. Have you ever been locked out of your home or hotel? Do not worry. Sarah and Charlie will speak slowly and clearly about this common travel problem. Please relax and enjoy their story as they try to solve this situation together.
Oh no, Charlie. The door is locked.
What? But we just went for a walk.
I know. I thought you had the key.
Me? I thought you took it with you.
This is not good. We cannot get inside.
Wait, let me check my pockets again.
I already checked my bag. No key.
Nothing in my pockets either.
What should we do now?
Let me look in my backpack, too.
Good idea. Maybe it fell inside.
I have my phone, wallet, and water bottle.
I have the same things, but no key.
Did we leave it inside this morning?
I think so. We were in a hurry to go sightseeing.
Yes, we wanted to catch the early bus.
So the key is probably on the kitchen table.
Great, and we are out here.
Let me think. What did we do this morning?
We woke up at 7:30.
Right. Then we had breakfast.
You made coffee and I made toast.
After breakfast, we got ready to leave.
I remember putting the key on the table.
Yes, next to your coffee cup.
Then we grabbed our bags and left quickly.
We forgot to take the key with us.
Now what do we do? Maybe there is another way inside.
Let me check if any windows are open.
I can see our apartment from here.
Which window is it?
The one on the second floor with blue curtains.
It looks closed from here.
All the windows look closed.
What about this side door?
It says emergency exit only.
We should not use that door. I will call the Airbnb host.
Good idea. Do you have their number?
Yes, it is in the booking confirmation.
What will you tell them?
I will explain that we are locked out.
Okay, I will listen.
Hello, this is Sarah. We are staying in apartment 2B.
Are they answering?
It is going to voicemail.
Leave a message.
How long should we wait?
I think 30 minutes is reasonable.
What if they do not call back?
Then we need to find another solution.
Maybe there is a building manager.
That is a good idea.
We can ask at the front desk.
Wait, I see a sign by the entrance.
What does it say?
It has the building manager's phone number. Excuse me, we need help.
We are staying in apartment 2B.
We accidentally locked ourselves out.
We left the key inside this morning.
Can you help us get back in?
We can show you our booking confirmation.
And our identification if you need it.
We just want to get back inside.
This has never happened to us before.
Here is my passport.
And here is our Airbnb booking.
It shows we are staying until Sunday.
The apartment number is 2B.
We booked it 3 weeks ago.
Everything is paid for.
Can you check your records?
We really need to get back inside.
All our luggage is in there.
Thank you for helping us. Thank you so much for your help.
We really appreciate this.
Is apartment 2B down this hall?
Yes, I remember now.
It is the third door on the right.
Will the master key work?
I hope so.
This is very kind of you.
We will be more careful next time.
We are finally back inside.
Look, there is our key on the table.
Exactly where we left it this morning.
I am so relieved.
That was stressful.
but everyone was very helpful.
The building manager was really nice.
Now we can relax.
And we learned an important lesson.
Always take the key when we leave. We need to make a plan.
Yes, we cannot let this happen again.
I will write down our new routine.
Good. What should we do differently?
First, always check for the key before leaving.
Second, put the key in the same place each time.
How about in my backpack pocket?
Perfect. That way you will always have it.
And we should double check before closing the door.
These are good rules for traveling.
This coffee tastes extra good right now.
I agree. It feels great to be back inside.
What a day this has been.
At least we solved the problem.
And we met some helpful people.
The building manager was so kind.
Now we know what to do if this happens again.
Hopefully it will not happen again.
But if it does, we will be prepared.
Tomorrow will be a better day.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. Have you ever been locked out of your home or hotel? What would you do in this situation? Please share your answer in the comments. Learning practical English like this can help you handle real travel problems. If you enjoyed Sarah and Charlie's story, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time. Bye.